friends, welcome to Explore the Roots. Good morning. Today we are going to explore Waterfalls which comes in between Asheville to Gatlinburg. We just stopped by on the way to Looking Glass Fall, and this is
Very cold.
very extremely cold stream of water.
Can't. Oh, 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 oh.
And my cameraman initially was standing there, but cannot continue standing here. It's damn freezing. I don't know how I'm standing here. It's too cold and now let's talk about top 3 waterfalls we experienced. Number 1 in our list is 60-foot natural water slide that ends in 8-foot deep pool of water. Yes, I'm talking about Sliding Rock Waterfall. So we are at Sliding Rock Falls and I'm all prepared with my life jacket, as you already know that I don't know swimming, but looking at people enjoying natural sliding of I think approximately 60 feet, and the way they're having a good time, I'm like superly thrilled. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but if I am able to make it, it will be really fun. Very thrilling. I'm looking complete joker because of all these gears, but I don't know swimming and I want to do this, and it was really fun and I want to do it once again. Next in our list is a very serene place the whole family can spend time and take beautiful pictures. Now we are heading towards Looking Glass Falls. Its easy accessibility makes Looking Glass Falls most popular destination for swimming in hot summer. Was one super freezing and awesome experience. View over here is really beautiful. The Sinks. This is one of the best waterfalls we experienced till now. It is important to be cautious when swimming at these sinks. Over the years, people have been injured or killed while climbing on rocks or getting swept into the pounding hydraulics of the falls. By wearing proper water shoe and not venturing towards the waterfall itself, you can easily enjoy a safe swim here. This is us sharing the most beautiful and mesmerizing waterfalls in Great Smoky Mountains. If you like our video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.